Hi-ke, isimo semanzuzu when it comes to uMadlomo noNhloso. Now, uMadlomo is not really feeling well right now, and she's asking for her medication. But then she did ask, can you allow me to go home so that at least I can go and see my children? Or do you want me to perish right here in front of your eyes? And what do you think what effect do you think this would make to our children? Why unenhliziyo ekanje? While Unhloso looked like he was considering letting her go, considering the fact that she said she was not going to tell anyone about this current incident and she was just going to keep quiet, make it as if she just eloped and then decided to come back. But then again, athi ke no, if ngiyakuvumela uhambe kodala inkinga eningi, so it means that you have to sit here and we will figure this thing out. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi ayitshontshe amayeza andazi mntakababa. But guys, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, it's a Friday. As you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal Sanbonan. Awa, ndimadekwana Sanbonan abshin molweni minjani. Hipukile hinkongwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Scandal ikuma korishlo sithamsekange kahle in the fact that Vuvu and umuntu wakhe, they are really struggling to come to terms with the current situation. How did they find themselves deep down in this kind of situation? Lapha umunye sibafuna ukumbopha bambophele ukuthi ubulala umuntu ngapha. He's also facing charges of theft. There is just a lot going on in their relationship, and I'm just happy that Ubu was being a supportive girlfriend and she's willing ukumelana nayo yonke. If it means that today she becomes a girlfriend, tomorrow she's a detective, that's exactly what she's going to do, just to make sure that she protects her territory. Interesting. I like it. Anyway, on the other hand, again, Unhloso is lying tooth and nail. So he was supposed to be going to work at he won't be able to go to work, and then Udidi goes out and comes back. When she comes back, accidentally found him cooking, and then she was like, but why would you cook? Because we've got enough food in the house. Akatshelanga manga ubhoti athi no yena uyapheka because ontutuko laba bafuna ukudla njani. Ntitlo was like, oh my god, okay, if that is the situation, then ngabaletha beze bazohlala lana so that we can just be able to take care of them. Sibaphekele badle nabo babe right. Kanti hayi umuntu uphathela ukudla uMadlomo that is actually worried ukuthi ingane zakhe la zikhona they are very worried. Speaking of ingane zakhe uNtutuko noThembelihle, they went to the police station for questioning. Now they were questioned about Umthunzi, which Umthunzi, is he by any chance, is there any chance with mhlambe uyena that athumbe uma? Because now remember Unhloso went to the police station and said Umthunzi has more motive to get uMadlomo and amonzakalise. So now the police officer is asking if they have witnessed any misunderstanding argument between her and Umthunzi, and unfortunately uThembelihle did, and this now is going to make uNtutuko to be upset or to be Umthunzi, because now why would they fight and he didn't know about it? So which means that probably he was the one. So now the whole narrative is going to change and everyone start looking at Umthunzi, and Umthunzi is the innocent one. My worry is up to how long are they willing to keep uMadlomo? Anyway, so Unhloso, the doctor tried calling him and saying, as soon as you get the message, please get back to me, and that he was not available because and then everybody, the search goes on looking for uMadlomo, and it looks like, from my perspective, it looks like Unhloso is willing to do anything and everything just to make sure that uMadlomo is away from Umthunzi, and I don't know how will that play out, because remember Umthunzi noMadlomo bayathandana. So angazi uzama ukumkhipha lapha for how long, because now uyagula and also ufuna amapilisi, and I don't know how he's gonna get the medication, or uzoyendlini ayowatshontsha awabuyise, or he will finally decide let me let you go. But then if he does that, then how does it going to work out? Ladies and gentlemen, Victor was then he came back to his workstation, and Tep said he can't work, and then he said he did not need any money as charity. Thanks. That's what he said.